Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I have some adorable carrots I'm going to show you how to make out of these gift card holders. I got these from Walmart. They're in their Easter section, and seriously, for $2.48 you really can't pass these up. I have some polyfill, which you can get at Walmart or any craft store, and you can use that to stuff these. If you don't want to buy the polyfill, you can use an old pillow or get a cheap pillow from Walmart that's cheaper than the polyfill, and just break it open and use that. As you can tell, I am just stuffing the polyfill into my carrots, and I'm taking a pencil right now, just something with a little bit of a point on it. I'm using the eraser side, not the sharpened side, but that's going to help the polyfill or stuffing get down into the corner of your carrot, making it just a really solid corner when you want to display it. So we're just going to go ahead and fill both of these up, and then stretch the green ribbons and tie them together. As you can see, I pulled the green ribbons tight, although I did not tie them together, I just pulled them tight. But now I have some raffia, and I really like the look of raffia on the carrots, and so I thought it would be fun to cut some bundles of it and keep them in long strips so that we can create a really fun bow. You're going to want to fluff up your edges a little bit on your bows, just so it has a little bit more character to it. And this is a really fun project, ladies. This is something that you can do for so cheap, and it just has a wow factor. I don't think that I would have ever thought these were gift card holders had I seen this in someone's house stuffed as carrots. These were the perfect addition to some of my Easter decorating that I am doing. If you love this DIY and all other things home decor related, please visit theruffleddaisy.org.